Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my 7th lesson of D3 chapter number 1 exercise 1a, that is about quadratic equations and functions. In this lesson I will solve basic level question number 2 that says solve each of the following equations expressing your answer correct to 2 decimal places where necessary. Here I will tell you that why this information is written, that you give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. Before going to the lesson, there are some key terms that we have to understand, that what does the term solve, solution or roots mean. Solution means to find the values of unknown of the question. I am giving this concept again and again so that you should have the clear understanding of these terms. Then what are the methods of solution of quadratic equation? You should have the command on mental maths and skills and calculation skills. And what are the rational and irrational numbers, and integration of the lesson with other lessons. For better understanding of each new lesson of mathematics, it's important to integrate the lesson with the previous lesson. Let's move to first part of the question. First part of the question is x plus 3 whole square equals to 11. If we look at right hand side of the question, we have 11 on the right hand side, which is the prime number. So when I will take the square root of 11, or whenever we take the square root of prime numbers, they become irrational numbers. So for the accuracy, we will take the 2 digits after decimal. Let's move to the lesson. What will be under root 11? Under root 11 will be 3.316. First of all, we have to take the square root on both sides, and it will give me x plus 3 equals to plus minus square root 11. Now, what I have to do is I have to write the decimal value for square root 11, and this is 3.366. So what I will be doing, I will write 3.32, 2 decimal places, because we have the 6 at the third place, plus minus sign. Now in order to solve this question, I have to apply either our condition, either x plus 3 will be equal to 3.32 or x plus 3 will be equal to minus 3.32. In order to get the value of the variable or to solve the equation, to get the root, I have to shift extra term to other side. 3 is the extra term. I have to shift it to other side. And when I will be shifting this 3, this is positive 3. When it will be going on the other side, it will become minus. And when I will take away 3 from 3.32, my answer will be 0.32. So one of the root for this question will be 0.32. Coming to the second part of the question, x plus 3 equals to minus 3.32. Shift this 3 to other side. I will get minus 3.32 minus 3. And when this 3 will be added to this 3, these two are whole numbers, minus 6.32. So the two solutions of this equation are x equals to 0.32 and minus 6.32 nearest to 2 decimal places. I hope you are clear about this question. Let's move to the next part of the question. This question is now really easy for you. Coming to the second part, it says 2x minus 3 whole square equals to 23. Again, if we look at 23, 23 is not a perfect square. It's the prime number. Whenever we will be taking the square root of this, our answer will be irrational number. So in order to solve this equation, I have to take the square root on both sides. 2x minus 3 equals to plus minus square root 23. Now I have to go to calculator and I have to check what is square root of 23, and this is 4.795. As I have 5 at the third place, so what I will be doing, my number will become 4.80. So I have 2x minus 3 equals to plus minus 4.80. In order to solve this equation, I have to apply either or condition. Either 2x minus 3 equals to 4.80 or 2x minus 3 equals to minus 4.80. Now what we have to do is we have to shift this 3 to other side, and I will get 2x equals to 4.80 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is 7.80 equals to 2x. I need the value of x. This 2 is multiplied with this x, so I have to shift this 2 to other side, and it will appear in the denominator of 7.80. Now divide 7.80 by 2. Divided by 2, this will give me x equals to 3.90. Coming to the other part of the question, that says 2x minus 3 equals to minus 4.80. Shift this 3 to other side by changing the sign. 2x equals to minus 4.80 plus 3. Take away this 3 from minus 4.80 and I will left with minus 1.80 equals to 2x. Again this 2 is multiplied with x. I need the value of x. So what I will be doing, I will be shifting this 2 to other side, and it will become in the denominator of 1.80. And when I will divide, this is 18. If we for some time forget about the decimal, when I am dividing 1.80 by 2, this is 0.9 minus 0.90. So the two solutions or two roots of this equation are x equals to 3.90 or minus 0.90. I hope you are clear about these two questions. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.